Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back. Hope you're all doing good these days. Starting this vlog by taking you to some grocery shopping in Panda. These are ready-made tortillas available, but usually we don't buy them. And here are some veggies neatly packed. These are some beautifully decorated sweet baskets gifted to the dear ones on special occasions here.
It's a green apple. Apple and a red apple.
Usually we don't buy fruits from here, but there were some good offers going on in the fruit section, so checking on it.
Look at these baby bananas. Playing some. See? Baby banana.
Many fruits were available like plums and peaches, kiwi, avocado. This is again peaches, muskmelon, grapes, corn, bear. We call it bear in Hindi. I don't know what's in English. This is custard apple. Today I am sharing with you a simple recipe of PAV BHAJI. I think this is everyone's favorite in India. And it's very simple. I am making here with the frozen vegetables. So for that I heated oil, added cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon PAV BHAJI masala and 1 cup of frozen vegetables. After sauteing it, added chopped potatoes, then salt, 2 glasses of water, and cover it with the lid. Let it cook for 5 to 6 whistles. As the base is heated, I placed the lid without whistle. After closing it, added the whistle back. If you think there's excess water, just keep the mixture on a high flame and dry it out. After the mixture got cooled down, I blended it into a smooth paste using a hand blender. But if you like the chunks of vegetables, use any flat object and just mash it. Here in a pan, I took 1 tablespoon of oil before adding the butter so that it does not get burnt up. Later to this melted butter, added cumin seeds and chopped onions. After sauteing it, added some salt. Then added ginger garlic paste, some red chili powder, coriander powder, and PAV BHAJI masala, 1.5 tablespoon. Then blended tomato paste. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for a few minutes until the butter gets separated. I was a little surprised looking at the size of coriander leaves. Looks like hybrid, but are they safe to consume? Let me know in the comment section if you have an opinion about it. So when the oil got separated, I added the blender mixture into it. I just used the frozen ones, but you can add more fresh vegetables like cauliflower and beetroot into it. Just to enhance the flavoring and coloring, added hot sauce and tomato ketchup. Cover it with a lid but keep stirring in between as it may get stick to the bottom. So later on added chopped coriander and mint leaves. If you wish, you can add food color over here or add beetroot to your mixed vegetables so that it gives natural color to your mixture. At the end, squeezed half a lemon of big size. That's done. The recipe is complete now. Before moving on to the next part, let us learn some hand exercises. We use our hand more often than any other part of our body, isn't it? So they are also susceptible to injuries, especially for people who does repetitive activities. So today I am sharing with you all some basic exercises to strengthen these hand muscles at your home. We are doing some kind of functional exercises when we are working in the kitchen. So we need to relax these muscles by stretching often. Hold the wrist in extended position for 10 seconds and relax. Repeat it 5 times. Then hold it in flexed position for 10 seconds and relax. Repeat this 5 times. To develop intrinsic muscles of the hand, spread the sheet or towel under your palm and try to grab it by flexing the fingers. Repeat this activity 20 to 30 times. Then place a tennis ball under your palm and try to knead it. This will relieve all the pressure points and in turn relaxes the muscles. To strengthen the finger muscles, try to squeeze a ball. But don't forget the thumb over here. Try to squeeze it with all fingers. This exercise is also used in reducing the stress. For finger extensor strengthening, use an elastic band or a hair band. Try to open up your fingers against the band's resistance, which will develop the strength of the muscle. Now to strengthen the wrist muscles, use a water bottle if you don't have weights at home. Place the hand at the edge of the table and try to lift it up. You need not hold, just repeat the movement 10 times. Repeat the same activity just by placing the palm towards the ceiling. This will strengthen the wrist flexors. For pronators and supinators, use the same weight or water bottle and move it in side to side directions. You can also do this exercise by placing the hand outside the table or removing the elbow support completely. As we are talking about hand exercises, wanted to share some information about these textured balls too. They are made for infants to improve their fine motor skills, touch sense and visual training. Our brain is designed in such a way that it produces response to these sensory experiences around. So these balls are also being used as a therapy in stroke patients to improve their sensory integration, that is their brain's response to touch. These are also being used in kids having ADHD. As these kids are tactile learners, they respond to this touch. It helps in calming them down and improve their attention. I hope this information on hand exercises and textured balls was useful for you all. Coming back to the recipe, I am roasting the samoli or bread by applying some butter over it. If you wish, you can add butter to the pan and add little curry, then roast the bread over it. So this was a very simple recipe of pav bhaji. You can add more vegetables as per your taste. So this ends our vlog here. Stay safe and stay healthy, viewers. If you do like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section about your valuable suggestions. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching.